First of all, I think well, the most common case, for example, let's talk about AI integration. Usually, AI companies offer their API for integration, and they expect that the other part, hospitals or third parties, handle the adaptation to their systems, to their APIs. However, hospital often require that the AI vendor or whatever vendor take the responsibility for adapting their systems to the HL7 or FHIR or whatever interface that the hospital offer. Of course, this has a lot of reasons. Many complex legacy systems in the part of the hospitals, established workflows, IT department with a high workload. But if the AI company is able to adapt to this approach, not only speeds up the deployment, this is quite good, but also gets better collaboration from the hospital. So, but of course, to adapt your interface to each client is costly, is complicated in terms of resources, time, code versioning, maintenance of different versions deployed is like a nightmare. I mention this because we must take this into account where we are looking the profiles or when we are thinking about the different skills that the people in the IT department must have. We are not only interested, for example, in profiles that are very competent in terms of AI or software development. We need a blend of technical, clinical, strategic competence, technical skills, for example, software development, data management, knowledge about data standards and protocols, cybersecurity, call infrastructure, okay, long list. The clinical knowledge to be used to work in the healthcare environment ensures that the AI solutions align with medical workflows and regulatory requirements. We need people to understand ethical considerations, people who is used to do risk analysis and maintaining compliance with healthcare regulations, of course. And we can talk a little bit about soft skills, such as cross-functional collaboration, clear communication with clinical stakeholders. This is mandatory, of course. Effective change management to be able to adapt to the different circumstances are equally important. And of course, at this point, continuous training and certification is needed. And I would also add as a key, establishing a strict integration methodology. So the company don't depend on the creativity, let's say the creativity or the specific expertise of a team member that maybe tomorrow is not here in the company. So this can be a very let's say, tricky question. So, well, you have this long list, this long specification. So finding these profiles usually is complicated. And one thing that we recommend for this kind of companies is to think if it's convenient to have some kind of third party in the middle taking care of the integration. So the AI company, for example, can focus on selling their solution, on developing their solution, and let's forget about all the challenges and all the headaches of the integration.